YouTube. Hey everybody, you guys know who it is. It's Q, and you know how I do when I'm eating with you. Yes sir. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and thank you. Welcome to another episode of Q Food Reviews. And like I always do, thank you to who? My subscribers. I also would like to say thank you to my new subscribers. Thank you and welcome to the team. Guys, this is what I'm going to be bringing you today. We're going to do something different today, okay? I'm bringing you a Doritos Blaze review. But before I get off into those, let me show you what other flavors they have to offer you guys as well. Okay, first of all, we got the Jack's Ranch Dip Top Wing. Okay. You got the Spicy Nacho. Okay. Guys, we got the Sweet Spicy Chili. Okay. And the focus of this review, you guys, YouTube. Let's get them, baby. Let's get this thumbnail. There it go. Right there. Alright. This is the focus of the review, guys. They call it Doritos Blaze. Let's get this thumbnail going, YouTube. YouTube, you got it? If you guys wondering, Q, what are you doing? Me and Q just getting a little thumbnail action. That's all. Just getting a little thumbnail action. Guys, let me give you some nutrition facts on these. I never had them before. It's the first time for everything. But let me give you some nutrition facts on these, guys. We looking at total fat 9%, cholesterol 8%, total wait a minute, guys. Wait a minute. Oh, okay, there it is. Protein 2 grams. Total carbohydrate is 5%. So total calories 140. That's not that bad for a snack. That ain't that bad. Let's get off into these, guys, and let's see what they do. They supposed to be real spicy. I never had these before, but it's the first time for everything now, ain't it? This is how they look, guys. You could smell the spiciness of them too. This is how they look. You see they have that spicy, fiery coating on them. Let's give them a try. Ooh, wait. Ooh. 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 Guys, listen right off the bat. Are they spicy, Q? Yes, sir. Do you like them, Q? Yes, sir. Would you suggest we come pick them up? Yes, I do. Most definitely. Guys, you can definitely taste the hot and spiciness of the chip. They have like a savory type of taste to them. Do I suggest you come pick them up? Yes, I do. Guys, Dorito Blaze. Okay? And if you don't like those, pick these up. Got the sweet chili. If you don't want those, get you the spicy nachos. And if you don't want those, pick these up. Okay? But once again, guys, the focus of this review is on a brand new flavor, which is Doritos Blaze. Alright? Hey guys, let me get one more. Doritos Blaze, guys. These a brand new flavor. Come on in, pick them up, give them a try, check them out when you can. Okay? Now listen, guys, before you get out of here, listen to me. I want to say thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you guys for watching. I want to say thank you to all my new subscribers. Thank you for joining the team. I also want to say thank you to the staff and the team over at YouTube for their support as well. Guys, thank you so much for all your support. For every view, for every comment, thank you. Guys, before you get out of here, do me a favor. Listen, get your eat on. Watch what you eat. Balance it. Exercise and drink you some water. And before you get out of here, guys, please hit the like button and please subscribe. Thank you. God bless and peace, you guys. One last thing to my subscribers here in Michigan. Guys, you know it's cold. Stay warm. Stay warm. Peace.